Ever wondered what lies beyond the realm of the ordinary? Buckle up as we embark on a captivating journey into the opulent world of the elite. Get ready to uncover the 15 things that the affluent are freed from. Are you eager to discover the untold advantages of a life without bounds? Smash that subscribe button to ensure you never miss out on our mind-expanding content. Number 15. Unrestricted travel. Golden visa programs empower the wealthy with unrestricted travel possibilities. By investing a substantial amount, they gain the privilege of acquiring passports without the usual bureaucratic hurdles. Their flexibility in travel arrangements ensure prompt responses to urgent situations. Whether it's escaping a natural disaster or attending to personal matters, they enjoy the ability to access private jets on short notice. Number 14. Job insecurity, not a concern. Unlike those living paycheck to paycheck, the wealthy aren't tethered to jobs for mere survival. Their financial cushion provides the freedom to pursue opportunities that align with their values and aspirations. In situations involving mistreatment or unfavorable work conditions, they possess the agency to prioritize their well-being without the fear of financial instability. Number 13. Maintenance made effortless. The chore of vehicle maintenance doesn't intrude upon the lives of the wealthy. Extensive insurance coverage and specialized services simplify the process. Tedious tasks like refueling or cleaning the cars become secondary concerns as experts handle these responsibilities. The luxury of professional maintenance leaves them with more time to focus on endeavors that align with their interests. Number 12. No more choosing essentials. Picture this: no more tough decisions between things you really need. For the wealthy, worrying about not having enough money for something important is a distant memory. They don't have to choose between two important things just because of money. Whether it's getting clothes for a special event or buying things they need for their everyday life, they can get what they want without worrying about the cost. Unlike some people who have to think a lot before buying things, the wealthy can just get what they need and move on. It's like they have a magic wand that makes financial worries disappear. Number 11. A second job? Nope. Having a second job is not something the wealthy need to worry about. They might take on extra roles for the fun of it and to learn new things, but they don't have to juggle many jobs like some others do. They don't feel the pressure of working long hours in different places and dealing with different bosses. This gives them a different way of looking at work. For them, work isn't just about earning money to survive. It's a chance to learn and grow. They choose to do things that help them develop personally and professionally. Unlike people who need multiple jobs to make ends meet, the wealthy have the luxury of exploring work from a place of curiosity and self-improvement. Number 10. Invest to multiply wealth. Think about turning riches into even more riches. It's like a special adventure for the wealthy. They explore investment paths with careful thought. Having lots of money lets them make smart moves in investments. They pick choices that aren't too risky, and they do it in a very planned way. When they were starting to be rich, they took chances with smaller amounts of money to get more. But now, they have a different plan. Their new strategy is about using their big pile of money to make more money in a safer way. They're like clever treasure hunters who know where the hidden gems are. While the way they got rich first involved some risk, they're now using their wealth as a tool to keep growing without taking big chances. Number 9. The art of not sweating small costs. Think about how the wealthy handle little expenses. It's a bit like a unique talent. They don't have to worry about stretching their money to cover small things. You know how some people try free trials or search hard for deals to save money? Well, the wealthy don't have to do that. They don't need to think too much about small purchases. Unlike others who might have to work hard to make sure they're spending wisely, the wealthy have a different approach. They know they have enough money coming in all the time, so they don't have to stress over small costs. It's like they have a secret power that lets them just enjoy what they want without worrying about the small stuff. Number 8. No laundromat visits. In a world where laundromats symbolize routine for most, they are but distant notions in the lives of the affluent. The clinking of coins and hum of machines evoke no familiarity for them. Instead, their laundry journey is a choreographed dance led by domestic staff or automated home appliances. The mundane act of hauling baskets of clothes to a laundromat or laboring over the washing machine transforms into a lavish affair. Enter their reality, where each garment becomes a cherished entity in a larger tapestry. Expert launderers handle their attire with a level of precision akin to artisans crafting a masterpiece. Fabrics are pampered, stains eradicated, and each piece tenderly folded into its rightful place. Number 7. Stress-free time management. Time management, an ever-pleasant puzzle, acquired a distinctive hue in the world of affluence. To-do lists and planners transform into strategic instruments, each entry a deliberate step towards aligning actions with their overarching aspirations, comparable to a navigational compass guiding a ship through uncharted waters. These tools navigate them through a labyrinth of commitments, propelling them towards their defined destinations. The focused approach shields them from the frenzy of reactive decision-making that often plagues the ordinary individual. The wealthy are artisans of their own schedules, carefully orchestrating their days to serve their goals. Number 6. Calls? Not an issue. Welcome to a world where broken items evoke little more than momentary inconveniences. The luxury of swift and effortless replacements eclipses the nagging worry of impending repair costs that haunt the everyday individual. This nonchalant approach extends gracefully to their prized possessions, iPhones included. Unlike their counterparts, the wealthy use these gadgets as utilitarian tools, devoid of the weighty symbolism of status that often clings to them. In this realm, protective cases and screen guards become superfluous, mere adornments that hold no sway. The liberation from such anxieties allow them to navigate their lives with a distinct sense of ease, unhindered by the mundane worries that accompany the fragility of objects. Number 5. Bills and admin? Others handle that. Picture a life where the complexities of utility bills and administrative chores are mere shadows, devoid of influence over the affluent. Their existence mirrors that of a meticulously managed corporate enterprise, where the orchestration of responsibilities is delegated to a highly specialized team. Mundane endeavors such as settling recurring bills evolve into afterthoughts, seamlessly managed without requiring their personal attention. This separation from the minutiae of day-to-day financial management sets them in a league of their own, distinct from the typical individual, liberated from their constraints of administrative burdens. They channel their energies into more expansive horizons. Number 4. The price tag doesn't faze them. Envision a dining experience where price tags hold no power. For the wealthy, ordering dishes transcends mere monetary calculations. Their choices are rooted in personal palate preferences rather than budgetary constraints. High-end dining establishments have a predefined financial threshold that even the most extravagant of indulgences might adhere to. This ensures that the culinary adventure remains within a realm of reason, despite the opulence. For example, consider the tasting menu at an illustrious Michelin star restaurant, averaging around $500 per person. Number 3. Farewell to ticket purchases. Imagine bidding adieu to the era of buying tickets, public transportation tickets, a concept left behind in their journey to opulence. The urban fabric transforms into a mosaic of ride-sharing convenience and leisurely strolls through city centers. The intricacies of securing tickets for shows or events are seamlessly woven into their existence, managed by personal concierges who curate their experiences. But their detachment from ticket procurement doesn't stop at urban confines. The very notion of purchasing flight tickets or participating in lotteries becomes irrelevant in their world. Rooted in a pragmatic mindset, they recognize lotteries as a mathematical gamble that doesn't align with their calculated approach to life. Number 2. No need to lug around coats and bags. Have you ever observed a wealthy individual striding through winter without a coat, seemingly untouched by the chill? This intriguing phenomenon stems from their unique lifestyle preferences. Their well-crafted existence is characterized by the convenience of having personal chauffeurs on standby. This affords them the luxury of moving effortlessly between climate-controlled settings. The cumbersome chore of carrying coats and bags becomes obsolete as they transition from the cozy cocoon of their luxury vehicle to the welcoming ambience of their destination. Unlike the average person, their journey doesn't involve impromptu picnics or uncertain scenarios, thus eliminating the need to carry a toolkit of essentials. Number 1. No more waiting in line. Step into a realm where waiting in line becomes a distant memory. Picture this: no more standing in line for hours to get your hands on the latest iPhone. Imagine bypassing the winding queues at exclusive clubs and sauntering right in. Even mundane activities like securing a table at a highly acclaimed restaurant or navigating the labyrinth of hospital waiting rooms becomes obsolete for the privileged class. Their elevated financial status morphs into a golden ticket, granting them access to a fast lane in life. It's akin to holding an all-access pass to the best experience, where they effortlessly glide past the inconveniences that everyday folks encounter. This paradigm shift in priority access becomes their norm, transforming once mundane activities into seamless encounters that are tailor-made for their convenience. So, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.